Hey there, animal lovers, it's Ellen, and let's talk pet birthdays. Why are they so important? Because our pets are family. They bring us joy every single day. A birthday is a chance to celebrate that amazing bond. It's a day to shower them with love, treats, and maybe a funny hat. Think about it. Our pets give us unconditional love. They don't judge our dance moves, even when they're questionable. They're always there for a cuddle after a long day. The least we can do is throw them a bone or a party. Plus, let's be honest, who doesn't love a good party? Especially when it involves adorable animals and maybe some cake. Don't worry, we'll get to the pet-friendly cake later. So, let's make their special day extra special. Trust me, the wagging tails and happy purrs will make it all worthwhile. Now let's get this party started. First things first, guest list. Keep it small and furry. Invite your pet's closest pals for a positive social experience. We don't want any party fouls. Next, decorations. Think balloons, streamers, and maybe a happy birthday banner. Get creative. You can even make your own decorations. It's all about celebrating your furry friend in style. Don't forget the music. Create a playlist of upbeat tunes that will get both you and your pet grooving. Think Who Let the Dogs Out or Meow Mix jingle. Okay, maybe not the jingle, but you get the idea. And of course, no party is complete without games. Set up an obstacle course, have a game of fetch, or hide treats around the yard. The key is to keep it fun and engaging for all the furry guests. It's their special day, so why not spoil them rotten with gifts? But what do you get the pet who has everything? Don't worry, I've got you covered. For the fashion-forward furball, how about a stylish new collar or a cute bandana? You can even personalize it with their name or a fun message. Because who doesn't love a little personalized swag? If your pet is a playful pup, new toys are always a hit. Squeaky toys, chew toys, fetch toys, the options are endless. Just make sure to choose toys that are safe and appropriate for your pet's size and breed. And for the ultimate pampering experience, how about a trip to the groomer or a relaxing massage? Because everyone deserves a little pampering on their birthday, right? Even our four-legged friends. Section 4, DIY Delights, easy treat recipes for your pet. Now, let's talk treats. Because what's a birthday party without some delicious snacks? And no, I'm not talking about the store-bought kind, though those are perfectly fine too. I'm talking about homemade goodies that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Don't worry, you don't have to be a master chef to make these treats. I've got some super easy recipes that even I can handle. And trust me, your pet will love them. First up, we have peanut butter cupcakes. These are a classic for a reason. Simply combine mashed bananas, peanut butter, oats, and an egg. Pour the mixture into muffin tins and bake until golden brown. Your pup will be begging for seconds. For our feline friends, we have tuna twists. Mix together canned tuna, cooked in shredded chicken, and a bit of water. Roll the mixture into small balls and bake until firm. These treats are perfect for your cat's sensitive palate. Remember to always check with your veterinarian before introducing new foods to your pet's diet, especially if they have any allergies or sensitivities. Section 5, Capturing the Memories, Polishing the Day. We've partied, we've played, we've eaten cake. Well, pet-friendly cake. Now it's time to capture these pawsome memories. Get your cameras ready, folks. Snap photos of your pet enjoying their party, opening their gifts, and devouring their treats. These photos will be cherished for years to come. Trust me, you'll want to remember these adorable moments. And hey, why not get in on the fun yourself? Take a selfie with your furry friend. It'll be a reminder of the special bond you share. Plus, it'll make for a great Instagram post. Don't forget to share your pet's birthday photos with the world. Use the hashtag #HappyBarkDay or #MeowDay celebration. Let's spread the love and joy of pet birthdays. Section 6, Cherishing Every Moment with Our Furry Companions. As we wrap up this paw tie planning guide, I want to leave you with this thought. Our pets are a gift. They bring us unconditional love, laughter, and a whole lot of fur, and maybe some drool. Let's cherish every moment we have with them. Whether it's their birthday or just an ordinary day, make sure to show your pet how much you love them. Give them extra cuddles, go for an extra long walk, or simply tell them they're the best pet in the world. Because at the end of the day, it's the love and memories we create that truly matter. So go out there and celebrate those furry companions of yours. And remember, adopt, don't shop. Sending all my love and maybe some pet treats your way, Ellen.